try adding in or changing up the melody here. And you know what? Actually, yeah, let's just, I was gonna key lock it, but I wanted to actually stay. I'm not sure if I key lock it, it's gonna go to this scale. So I want to give it the freedom to kind of just play along the chords. I don't want to rearrange these chords because these aren't exactly in the F sharp mixolydian scale here. Okay, the delay is a little bit much. Let's go ahead and lower that. Let's see where you're at. Master Effects. Where is the delay? Let's turn it off altogether. Oh, it's actually already off. Okay. So is it just an ARP going? It might be just because of the ARP. Okay, so this chords is sounding a little off. Let's try a little something here. So it detected that it's in F sharp mixolydian mode. Let's go ahead. It's right above B major, so it's got its. That's why I'm saying it's probably they work with each other. Let's just go ahead and change it here, and then let's key lock it. Okay, I get what it's clashing with this guy because I have the chords stretched out further here. So let's go ahead and change that up. It sounds like it's still off key. I don't know what it's going on. Let's try turning off the key lock mode again. Okay, there's a couple notes that are sounding a little off to me. I don't know what it is. Let's try turning off another ARP here. Okay, that works a little better now, but it's way too loud. I need it to be a lot more subtle in the mix here. All right, let me see what else I can mess around with. Let's maybe try changing the instrument here. I like that guitar. It sounds like a guitar with a delay on it. Let's try using this guy here. All right, this is a ample sound, ample guitar, semi-hollow that I like to use a lot. Let's see. Let's try that. That note right there is off. We have to fix that. Maybe let's just get rid of it. Like maybe there's a sour note in here. All right, that sounds a little better.